Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys 10 really useful iPhone apps that you must have on your device and you probably never heard of them. These are apps that are not that famous but are very useful indeed. So before I get started, I just want to ask you guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video as it helps out a lot. So let's get started with the first app. The first app for the video is called Wi-Fi Mouse. Now this app allows you to control your laptop or your PC using your iPhone. So basically all you need to do is, once you install this app, it will show you right here on the screen a website where you can go and download the server for your laptop or your PC, and then all you gotta do is just make sure you have both of them connected to the same network, your iPhone and your PC, and then you will be able to go ahead and use this as a trackpad for your PC. And of course you can also use the keyboard here, so you can use the keyboard of your iPhone to type anything you want on your laptop or PC. Now sometimes I find it way easier to type with the keyboard of my iPhone, so what I want to do is just connect this, and whenever I want to type something on my laptop, I can do it through my iPhone using this app. So it's really awesome. You also have other features as well, so you can buy here like game mode, you can buy like controllers and all that stuff for your PC using your iPhone. So that's really amazing. This app is free from the App Store. The next app for the video is really useful. It's called Brightify. So what this app does is that it allows you to brighten up your pictures. So it will do everything automatically and won't just brighten up your pictures, but will make them look really good. So you can see this picture that I have right here. Now I can go ahead and use the slider to go here and add brightness to the picture, and if I add it all the way here to the right side, you can see the difference here. You can see how good this picture will look using this app. So you can see here the original, you can see the result here at the maximum brightness that you can add using this app, and it looks really amazing. You can see that that's a big difference. And of course you have other tools here as well, so you can go ahead and change the contrast, the structure, the saturation, and you can go ahead and change the shadows, highlight, vibrance, all that. So all of this will be done automatically by the app, but of course you will have there the option to go ahead and change them manually as well. And of course once you're done with your editing, just tap right there and you will be able to go ahead and save this picture on the camera roll of your device. The next app for this video is called OneBlocker. This is an ad blocker that you can download for free, but it has a few premium features as well which have to be paid for. So once you open the app, you will see here a list of different content that you can block using this app. The first one right there will be block ads, and the free version allows you just to use one list at a time. So if you enable this, you won't be able to enable the other ones. You will have to go to premium for that. So basically you will have some presets right here like block ads, block trackers. You can go ahead and block anti-ad block, and you can also block widgets from Twitter or Facebook. You can block adult sites, all that stuff. And you can also configure here different lists, like you can block any URLs that you want, you can block cookies, you can go ahead and add sites to the whitelist there, and anything you want. Of course, before enabling this, you will need to go to settings, go to Safari, and go ahead and just go here to content blockers and make sure you enable OneBlocker in order for this app to work within Safari. The next app for the video is called Paste, and this one allows you to manage your clipboard. So everything that you copy on your clipboard will be saved within this app, and you can come back later to it and copy back to your clipboard anything that you need that you had previously copied. And it also has a very useful widget. So once you open the app, you will see right here the clipboard history. If you go here, you will have everything that you have saved on your clipboard, and from here you can tap on it and you can go ahead and copy it back to the clipboard. You can pin it here at the top of the clipboard, or you can go ahead and share it, of course. And if you want to delete it, of course you can do that from here. Now if we go to the home screen right here and go to the widgets panel, you can see here a widget with the clipboard right there. So you will have things that you have on your clipboard, you had previously on your clipboard right here. Want to copy them back, just tap on them, as easy as that. It will copy them back to the clipboard. Music Volume Booster is the next app for this video. This one will allow you to boost the volume of your music. So you will have here different sources. You have Spotify, Dropbox, and of course the iTunes Media Library. That's the songs that you have on the music app of iOS. So if I go here to one of my songs, I can go ahead and play this. You can see right here, this is the volume. If I go all the way up, this is the volume of the iPhone. But if I tap right here, then I will have the option to turn up the volume boost. So let's just go ahead and play the song again and you can hear the difference. Of course, it's not recommended that you play this all the way up because it will damage the speakers of your iPhone, so just be careful with this. If you play around with it too much and keep it at high for a long time, it will damage the speakers, so be careful while using it. The next app for the video is a health app. It is called Heart Rate, and this app will measure and monitor your heart rate. So all you gotta do is just place your finger on the camera of your iPhone and tap the start button, and it will start measuring your heart rate, and we'll show it right here. So it has a bunch of cool features which are free, but it has also a few paid features. Now if you go to Insights right here, this will be premium, so basically you will have to pay to get this feature right here, but you also have analytics right here which are free, and then you also have different workouts right here. So you can see if you go here, it will show you different workouts. You can play them and it will show you how you can do each workout, which is really helpful. So that's really amazing. You will have here a bunch of different workouts that you can perform at your home, so that's really great. The app can be downloaded for free. Make sure you check out the pinned comment. The next app for the video is called Blender. Now this is a very useful app. It allows you to perform a bunch of actions on your videos. Like you can transfer a video to this app and it will convert it into a GIF file. Or you can place an image and convert it into a GIF file. You can go ahead and turn video to audio. You can cut, you can capture, of course. You can go ahead and change the speed of the videos. You can add watermarks, filters, you can merge videos, put them in the reverse, anything you want with this app. It is really awesome. As you can see here, a ton of features. So let's just go ahead and load a video from the camera roll. So here I want to speed up a video. I have loaded it from the camera roll. All I gotta do here is just go ahead, tap right here and set the speed up to 3 times faster, and you can see right there it will change the speed of the video. Of course, all you gotta do here is just tap convert and then tap save and you're good to go. It will be saved on the camera roll of your iPhone. The next app for the video is called Battery Saver, and this app will show you a ton of information regarding the battery of your iPhone and your iPhone in general. So right here, once you open the app, you will see the current storage of your iPhone. You will see here the battery percentage and of course the standby time right there. Now if you go to tips right here, it will show you different useful tips which will help you improve the battery life of your iPhone, and that's really awesome. Very useful to know these awesome tips that will increase the battery life of your iPhone. Then you will have here disk storage. So if you go here, you will see all what is taking space on your iPhone. You will see all the info right here, so that's really great as well. Let's go back and we have the battery usage right here. So you can see it says reduce brightness, so from time after time it will give you like different tips on what to do to improve the battery of your iPhone. And if you go to remaining, you will see here what you have remained. So with this percentage of battery, I can go ahead and do all this stuff for all this time, so that's really awesome. And lower here also have system status right there, which will show you different info regarding your device. So a really great app, very useful, everything that you need to know regarding your device and the battery life only on this app. The next app for this video is called Quickie, and this app has been around for quite a while, but I don't think a lot of people know about this app. So basically what it allows you to do is that you can use this app, the icon of this app, to force touch on it, and then it allows you to open other apps. Like for example, I can go ahead and select a few apps right here, and then when I go out of this app, I can 3D touch on the icon of this app, and it allows me to open those apps from here. Like if you put this app on the dock of your device, then you will have more apps on the dock. So you will have this app, 3 other ones, and another 3 right here on its menu. So you can see right there, if I just tap, it will go ahead and open the app that I have added there. So it has a paid version and a free version. The free version, I believe it allows you for only like 4 apps. If you have the paid version, you can add even more. So that's really great. A really quick way to open apps directly from the icon of this app using 3D touch. And the last app for this video is called Journey Calculator, and this app allows you to calculate how much a trip will cost you. So all you gotta do is just open the app, and you will see right here 2 options. You will have there Imperial for the UK, and then you have also US. So you tap right here the distance that you want to go. So let's say 88 miles, and then you have miles per gallon right here. So let's say like 22. And of course you have the fuel cost per gallon, let's say $2 right there, and just tap on calculate, and it will show you how much the trip will cost you. So you can see right here $8 for that trip. That's really cool. So you have here also different options. You have miles per gallon, so you can go ahead and basically calculate the miles per gallon, liters, miles right there. And you also have here a converter, so basically you can convert anything that you want here, like distance, measurement, efficiency, anything can be basically like, if you go here, you can go ahead and turn feet into inches, into centimeters, into meters. All that stuff can be done from here using the built-in converter of this app. So that is it for this video, guys. These are 10 awesome apps that you can get from the App Store, and probably you never heard of them, but they are very useful but not that famous. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Also leave a like on the video as it helps out a lot, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.